Hello everyone, welcome to Couple Eats. So today we're making mango jam, easy and simple at home. So for this, I've taken around the pulp of 20 mangoes. I had a little extra mangoes at home and I didn't want to lose them up. You can adjust according to your liking or according to how much you want to make and preserve. So I'm blending that in the mixer to make a fine pulp out of it. So once that's done, transfer to a non-stick pan. So I've taken a non-stick pan because I don't want the jam to stick to the bottom once it's really condensed. So make sure that you use a long wooden spoon because the mango pulp tends to bubble up. I've taken equal portion of sugar. So if you're using 1 kg of mango pulp, then you'll need around 1 kg of sugar. The sweetness level again depends upon the sweetness of the mango. You can adjust by tasting it in between the process. So give it a good stir and then add lemon juice to it. The lemon juice helps to bring out the sugar in the jam, and again it acts as a preservative because you're not adding anything. This is 100% natural jam. So after vigorous mixing for around 40 minutes, we'll get the consistency of the jam. So transfer that immediately into a glass jar. So this step is very important. You need to transfer your jam when it's hot inside the glass jar, otherwise it will be very difficult to transfer to a container. Once the jam cools down, you can close the lid and transfer to a refrigerator. This stays good for almost a year without any problem. So go ahead and try our mango jam with just 3 ingredients. Hope you all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.